Hi, I'm Patrick Reid from the Adamus Principle. Got some headlines for you. Dollar hit as 50 bips gets priced in the swaps market the next week. The invisible hand in dollar yen. I'm not going to go too much further than that, but those of you will know what that is. That gets bitten as dollar yen tanks, right? Stock's not bothered about the last 50 bip cut. So that is a dead cat bounce on risk. Yeah, risk off, dollar weak. Mike Pence yesterday talking about they don't have enough testing kits for the coronavirus. This is significant as cases will multiply in the US. It's all about the US at the moment, and just take this as a stark warning. Stocks don't like it, and they're dragging down dollar yen, and all the yen crosses as well. Euro dollar's broken a key level, 111.88, but more on that in a sec. Let's look at the first chart. Okay, euro dollar. This is much higher now. We've broken 113.20. That area, we need to stay above. The next stop is 114.50. This is significant, 114.50. That is quite a big Fibonacci corridor. A lot of volume is done up there way back in 2019 in spring and summer, before it kind of broke through that 111.88 into the autumn of Q4 last year. Next chart. Here we go. Here we have it. And it's much lower. This was printed yesterday, but it's much, much lower today. Just, it looks so ugly. So ugly. I mean, it's yours to sell. 108.34. That's the key level. But before that, it's got to get through 106.88. That's the a 23.6 Fibonacci. But yeah, nothing. It just looks absolutely horrendous for risk assets. And then the next slide, our old friend cable. What do you know? This is interesting. I mean, we are higher today, but this 50% fib, it's 127.34 now. 127.75 was a pretty decent level on the daily, and it goes back many, many years, 4 or 5 years. But the Fibonacci came back out and probably took some stops out from that daily low into the 50%, and now we are above the mid-Bollinger Band, which is 129.17 area. Next chart. Okay, dollar CAD. Interestingly, 133.30. That it's kind of grinding up. That is really nice base there. Oil and OPEC. The Saudis looking for a $1.5 million cut to raise oil above 50.50 will put pressure on dollar CAD. However, at the moment, the Russians don't like that, and I just see, because of risk off and yields tanking at 0.83 something, I don't see this going south. I see it just heading up, probably testing 136.60 area. But let's just see. It's choppy, it's ugly, and watch that risk. So that's it from me. My name's Patrick Reid from the Adamus Principle. Please, there's a lot of, I get a lot of students and a lot of people just asking me what to trade, this and that. Just watch that risk. Cut your risk. It's very volatile in the last couple of weeks, and happy trading.